Hey guys, it's Giridhar here from G-Phone Tech, and today in this video, let's talk about a new laptop from the lineup of Asus, the Asus ZenBook 14. And the model we are going to talk about is the UX425, which has the latest 11th generation Intel processors. The ZenBook 14 UX425 is a slim and powerful laptop. It is predominantly made of aluminum alloy on the top and uses a good quality plastic for the base. The concentric circular pattern adds the aesthetic of this laptop. It weighs just 1.7 kg and it is very thin at 14 mm. It doesn't have a lot of ports, but it has a few important ports like the USB Type-A port, a micro SD card reader, and on the other side you would find a full-sized HDMI port, two USB Type-C port which can be used to charge this laptop, and unfortunately no 3.5mm audio jack. But you can use a USB Type-C to 3.5mm converter which comes along with it in the box. The lid of the laptop can be opened with single hand. It feels very sturdy and there is no creak or flex at any point in the laptop. The ergo lift hinge mechanism at the bottom lifts the body at an angle to facilitate the movement of free air underneath the laptop. This one has a 14-inch Full HD display which has very thin bezels and a 90% screen to body ratio, giving it a look of a completely bezel-less display. I wouldn't call it a very bright display, but it is good for indoor usage. Nevertheless, the visuals are good and the viewing angles are perfect. Though the bezels are very thin, Asus has managed to fit in a HD camera on top of the display. There are also IR sensors to facilitate face unlock which works flawlessly. I've been using this laptop for a little over 2 months and mostly I've been using it for a lot of Zoom calls. Audio clarity, especially the crispness of the mic, was well appreciated by my friends and colleagues who were on the call with me. The keys are well spaced and the keypad is backlit keypad. It gives a very comfortable feeling when you're typing on this laptop. The trackpad has a speciality. At a glance, it looks like any other normal trackpad and also works flawlessly. But there is a trick up its sleeve to enable the number pad 2.0. When enabled, the trackpad becomes a convertible number pad as well. All those number crunchers who are watching this video will definitely feel happy about this feature. And yes, while the number pad is also turned up, you can seamlessly use it as a trackpad. Talking about the hardware specifications of this laptop, it comes in i5 and i7 variants and all these processors are the latest 11th generation Intel processors. You get up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of NVMe SSD storage. The internal graphics card is also upgraded to Intel Iris Xe graphics card. Though this laptop has Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth, I never got a chance to test out the Wi-Fi 6 because I don't have a Wi-Fi 6 enabled modem here. For my office usage and minimal graphics editing features, this laptop was a perfect fit. It did not heat up a lot and even when it got mildly hot, the fans kicked in and the fan noise was also minimal. The ZenBook 14 UX425 ships with a genuine copy of Windows 10 and also Office 2019 preloaded. It has a 65 Wh battery and this gets charged with a 65 watt charger. In about 50 minutes, this laptop charges beyond 60%. In my usage, I got little less than 10 hours of battery. The base variant is priced at Rs 82,990 right now and the top end variant at Rs 96,990. Prices may vary due to market conditions, so do check out the link in the description for the current pricing. I would definitely recommend this laptop for anyone who is looking to upgrade the existing laptop from an entry-level laptop to a better machine which is not exactly in the premium segment and offers good performance, has a slim profile along with a sturdy battery life. I hope this video was useful. If you like to watch more of my videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel G-Phone Tech. Until I catch up with you on the next video, this is Giridhar signing off. Goodbye.